This certainly tastes very healthy. This is so refreshing. So we are in an interesting store here in Mysuru. We are in the main Mysuru market area, and we've heard of this establishment called Brahmin Soda Factory that goes back 80 years. And I'm told that this establishment makes its own sodas using a machine that was imported about 80 years ago, and they make their own natural extracts. So we are here to taste some cooling refreshers and also perhaps some homemade ice cream right here at Brahmin Soda Factory. Sir, ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿನ್ ಸೋಡಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ?
ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ 1930 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ.
1934 is when Brahmin Soda Factory opened.
My grandfather opened ಮಾಡಿ.
His grandfather M.R. Harirao opened Brahmin Soda Factory. So ಅವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇತ್ತು ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಇದು ಸೋಡಾ ಅಂದರೆ soda. Only soda. Store opened in the 1930s and began with the objective of selling soda. And then a few years later they added the refrigerator, and that's when they started making the ice creams, and then they added the other juices, etc. Currently the third generation, Mr. Murli and his brothers run Brahmin Soda Factory. Andre nimdu combinations alla newe madida hege? New. Okay, so ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
All right.
ಸೋಡಾ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬೇಡ.
So this machine was made in England, and this is how they make their soda. ಈಗ ಸಹ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಈಗಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. It's fascinating to see a machine that was imported from England in 1934 still being used. As they say, old truly is gold. I ordered one soda, which is the Sarsaparilla soda, and I also have some ginger milk right here. So this is the Sarsaparilla root extract that is blended with the soda and some sugar, and I'm told this is very good for your stomach. The inflammation alla kami ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ? Cools the body.
Gastric trouble, some pain.
So this tastes almost medicinal, but then of course you have the spritzy effervescence of the soda and the sugar. I also have another drink here, which is the shunti halu or the ginger milk. I've never tasted this before. So I can taste that cold milk and then the pungent warmth of the ginger on my throat. If you're not used to milk and ginger on your palate at the same time, this may take some getting used to. This certainly tastes very healthy. All of them feel extremely light, and they feel natural and organic, but they certainly feel light and healthy. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಲೈಮ್ ಮಸಾಲ. ಸರಿ, ಒಂದು ಲೈಮ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ. And the service is extremely fast. I think you place your order, in 30 seconds you get your refreshing glass. This tastes so good. This is so refreshing. You got the lime and then you've got all that masala. You know, it's raining right now in Mysuru, but on a warm day, this would be the perfect way to beat the heat. My favorite here though was the ginger milk, and I'm told it's great for the cold. I can already feel that soothing warmth on my throat as I just finished my shunti halu or the ginger milk. Homemade ice cream. So this is a homemade vanilla ice cream here at the Brahmin Soda Factory. The vanilla is quite muted. As for the texture, it's halfway between a gelato and a sorbet. But the ice cream is quite tasty, quite delicious on its own. So if you find yourself in Mysuru and you're in Mysuru market, in the main area of Mysuru, do check out Brahmin Soda Factory for some delicious thirst quenchers with a touch of wellness and also some of their homemade ice cream. It's certainly worth a quick stop here at Brahmin Soda Factory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and leave a comment. If you'd like to support Food Lovers TV, do log on to foodlovers.in and hit the Support Food Lovers banner. Links in the description below. Happy eating!